Hey guys, how you doing? A special welcome back to Cook and Share. I wanted some meatballs, but I didn't want them with beef because, you know, you always use ground beef. I didn't want chicken, so I thought of ground pork. That would be just perfect with some lemon and maybe some of that creamy ricotta cheese inside. It came out absolutely beautiful. So let me walk you through this and you gotta try it. Okay guys, we're going to kick things off here by making the meatballs, and I'm going to add in about 3/4 of a kilo of ground pork, and this is medium ground pork. You know, you can use lean, but I like the medium. You want a bit of fat to it. Half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs. You can use panko, but I like the Italian. A tablespoon of fresh parsley. 2 cloves of minced garlic, and this is about a tablespoon. Half a teaspoon of crushed pepper flakes just to bring out that heat. Some salt. Of course, some of that wonderful ground black pepper. Now the star of the show, 3/4 of a cup of that wonderful ricotta. And last but not least, we're going to crack in an egg just so everything sticks together nicely. Take my handy dandy spoon and we're going to mix everything up until it's nicely combined. Ricotta, ricotta, I love ricotta. Next up, I'm going to add some oil to my baking dish. And this is just olive oil I'm using, but you know, you can use whatever you like. And take my brush and just kind of brush this around. It's like shellacking. Something like that. Take some of our broccoli and place it in, and we're going to spread this out evenly. Take some lemon wedges and spread these around. That smell of lemon is so good. Now we're just going to go ahead and set this aside. Then I'm going to grab up a good pinch of my ground pork and place in the palm of my hand and just kind of form it into a small golf ball. And of course, if you don't want to bake these, you can always go mush golfing with them. And just place these around the broccoli and lemon in the bottom of the baking dish. And I think that guy can go right there. Just kind of place them around strategically. I like that word, strategically. And I'm going to slip this into a 425 Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 25 minutes. Just until those meatballs are nicely done. After about 25 minutes, our meatballs are nicely done, and there you have it guys, our baked ricotta meatballs in 30 minutes. Okay guys, now my favorite part, let's dig in and give this a taste test. So I just cut this in half. Get some lemon on it, a bit of broccoli. Guys, this is so good. That lemon brings out that tanginess, the ricotta, the creaminess, the spices, and the ground pork makes it just perfect. I just love it. I'm going to eat more of this. You got to try it. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool recipes and stuff over there. And remember, if you've got a pick you'd like to share with us, I'll put all the information in the description section below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Stay safe and see you next time.